Hey, I want to thank this brand so much for sending this for us to try. This is a pack of 50. So these are paper bowls. Comes with a plastic lid and also with forks. Now what's really cool about this, if you meal prep and then you have to stack everything in the refrigerator, everything stacks very easily. I love the shape and size of these. They're calling them salad bowls, but it really works for anything. It can handle soups, it's waterproof. You can put it in the freezer, you can put it in the microwave. But I think it's great to keep everything nice and neat in your refrigerator, grab and go if you want to put snacks in here so that you're not getting fast food. You just always have things ready when you need it, and then you can just toss them when you're done. So I think that's fantastic. You can't have enough of these at the house. I also have 3 little dogs, so when we travel with them and I need to take dog food, I can put it in here, and when we're done, I can toss it. I don't have to worry about trying to take everything home with me. But I think this is just such a fantastic idea, so you always have these on hand.